What is apple cider vinegar and who will use apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar is the most popular type of vinegar in the natural health community. It is claimed to lead to all sorts of benefits, including weight loss, reduced cholesterol, lower blood sugar levels and improved symptoms of diabetes. What is the mother in apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar is made through a two-step process. First, yeast is added to apple juice to break down the sugars and turn them into alcohol. Then, bacteria is added, which converts the alcohol into acetic acid. This bacterium is what is known as the mother, because it is the catalyst that gives rise to the vinegar. Its appearance is cloudy and may contain small amounts of sediment. Unfiltered apple cider vinegar, like Bragg's, also contains mother. Why is the mother so important? The mother consists of dozens of strains of good bacteria, which we often refer to as probiotics. These help keep your digestive system running smoothly, so that you can get the most out of the food that you consume. The good bacteria in your digestive system compete for resources with the bad bacteria, and maintaining a healthy balance can help prevent you from getting sick. One study found that organic apple cider vinegar contained 96 strains of beneficial bacteria, compared to just 72 found in non-organic apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar products containing the mother. Bragg organic apple cider vinegar with the mother. Bragg apple cider vinegar with honey and the mother. Hull raw organic unfiltered cider vinegar with the mother. Kambuda manuka honey and apple cider vinegar. Does apple cider vinegar go bad? Does apple cider vinegar need to be refrigerated, or can I just keep it out in the open until I need it? The answer to the question is: the acidity of vinegar means it is self-preserving and does not need refrigeration, and theoretically, vinegar's shelf life is indefinite, even after you open the bottle. The manufacturers of Bragg's apple cider vinegar just recommend that you store your ACV out of direct sunlight in a relatively cool location, for best quality. Caution about taking apple cider vinegar. 1. Do not drink it right after eating food. 2. Avoid inhaling it. 3. Don't forget to dilute it. 4. Do not take more than 2 tablespoons a day. 5. Do not drink it just before bed. Disclaimer: this should not be considered as a substitute for physician's advice. Please consult your treating physician for more details.